When a student that has previously declared quite clearly that she does not want to participate in what goes on in the science classroom, when something happens that opens up for her to participate in a different way, to actually engage in science learning, that inspires me. My name is Andrée, and I'm a researcher in science education. I mostly do research in classrooms, looking at conditions for student learning, and also particularly relating to questions of scientific literacy, of science education for citizenship, and what that might mean in terms of student learning. One example is when I looked at a task where students were to investigate whether there was fat in milk. And the kids were 12 years old, and to 12-year-olds, they are not wondering if there's fat in milk, because they know there's fat in milk, and they discuss the different amounts of fat in different kinds of milk. So it's not a question to them, but still they were given that as a task to investigate. So they are investigating something that they really know the answer to. So the investigation will not be a true investigation. It will just become a school task. So I looked at how they deal with that, how they deal with the meaninglessness of the task, and how a task can become more meaningful. In order to reach decision makers, I do a lot of work in collaboration with teachers. And we have this platform called Stockholm Teaching and Learning Studies, where I participate as a principal investigator. So I coach teachers, I supervise teachers, and engage in collaborative small-scale research projects together with teachers. I would certainly recommend teachers to go into research. It opens up new perspectives on what happens in a science classroom. It allows you to get a glimpse of the conversations that are going on during teaching, and to see how competent and engaged most students actually are.